Okay guys, we're about to learn another tools in Adobe Photoshop, and we're about to use the pencil and the brush tools. Okay, so first of all we need to create a file, new. We'll be using a preset of international paper, A4 size with a 300 resolution, RGB color mode. Okay, it's very important that whenever we create a design here in Photoshop, we do it by layer. So you can add layer, new. So I'll create an image. I'll rename this layer as image. Okay, and here's the point of pencil that we'll be using. Okay, so you can select here what point you want. For now, I'll just be using this one. Okay, by the way, we can be able to resize the point of the pencil by clicking close parenthesis keybar, and you can reduce it also by pressing open parenthesis on your keyboard. Okay, so maybe this one is enough already. So I'll create an image here. It's like you're using a pencil, also a graphite pencil, only in digital. Give an image something like this. Okay, I'll add something here. Okay, maybe something like that. And I'll be using, or I'll be scaling down the point. Maybe something like this. Add some details here. Okay, maybe I'll make it smaller size of the pen. Something like that. Okay, so for now I'll be using a brush tool. Maybe we can change this one. I'll be using the brush tool for the shadow or the cast shadow. So before doing that, as usual, you can create a new layer, and I'll rename it as cast shadow. Okay, so we add some shadow here. Maybe also here. So why we use brush tool? Because brush tool is much uh, softer compared to the pencil tool, because there's a feather-like on the sides of the brush tool. It is being feathered. Something like that. Okay. If you find it too dark, okay, you can even maybe you can use exclusion, okay, to soften the tone of the cast shadow. By the way, if you want to color this image, okay, we can just simply select that area that we want to color and create a layer. Okay, we can rename it as image color, and we can change also the color here. Oh, by the way, we can use maybe a lighter one, lighter orange color, and we can use the paint bucket tool, okay, to color that area like that. After doing that, you still want to color this portion, same with this one, orange color. Just go to image again, image layer, and just use the wand tool or magic wand tool. Okay, select another area, hold shift to select other areas, just like that. Okay, and go to image color layer so that the portions that you want to color will be joining this one, the main color. Okay, so by using paint bucket tool, just press G, there you go, and deselect, Control D. Okay. So if you want to color another part, yes, you can use zoom in, just like that. You want to color the area here. Okay, so just go to image, use magic wand, select that area, this one, and create a new layer. Okay, rename it as, maybe I'll rename it as tongue. Okay, maybe the color is in red. Use paint bucket tool, shortcut is G, Control D to deselect. Okay, and you can even color this area. So just go to image again, use magic wand, select that area, hold shift to select the other area. Okay, so create a new layer, shortcut is Control Shift N if you want. Okay, so rename it as mouth. Okay, so we can make it darker tone, maybe just like this one, dark red. Okay, and use paint bucket tool. The shortcut is G, just like that. Okay, so you can even move this portion. Go to image again. So how about the eyes? Maybe I want to color the eyes. This one. Hold shift to select other area. Create a new layer. Name it as eyes. Press enter. Maybe I'll color it with something yellowish or lighter yellow. Okay, then use paint bucket tool, shortcut is G, just like that. Okay, by the way, for this one, use magic wand tool, select the area, just like that. So just maybe a stem. You can color it with a lighter, almost mint green. Okay, shortcut is G, color it, and deselect. Okay, go to zoom tool to fit screen. There you go. Okay, Okay, that's all. Simple as that. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you again for our next lesson. Thank you so much. God bless you.